June, that shit clean.
Don't view my shit if you ain't fucking with me, nigga. I swear to God, I'm finna get like 7 figures. I want it change, I gotta start in the mirror. I learned that from MJ, it's not Mary Jane. I'ma make your ass for this pain up in this music when I spit it. 9 to 5, but pretty soon I'm finna get it. Gotta work my ass off and stack all of my chicken smoke. That's like I'm in the kitchen, man. What the fuck we doing to this world, dog? Is wicked. Seen a lot of people dying lately, man, it's fucked up. I just thank the Lord that he watching over my loved ones. Everybody chasing the same thing, dog. It be the fun type of shit that make you put a bullet in your friend's lung. You snake the fun in the cage to go and get a Tesla. Next day you crash that shit, now you miss your mans, huh? Damn, these people fucked up. The world has got mad due to money not being enough. It's crazy how they change for the chicken, man. They'll do anything. This bitch is full, fuck anybody. Say fuck with a ring. Everybody wanna be cold-hearted, dog. That shit is lame. The culture we developed this generation is fucking strange, and this shit ain't gon' change. I'm trying to make a change. I gotta get my money up, cause there's so much to gain. If you're not fucking with me, then why the fuck you don't say? These niggas fake, I swear to God, I can't fuck with snakes. Welcome to the land of the scandalous. This shit is weird, everybody wanna act fake tough like some fucking veneers. Walk to the store, get pressed by a nigga who don't even bang. He just tryna look good in front of his little 3 nigga gang.